Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you own SUV, you already know how many advantages this vehicle have comparably to a passenger vehicle. And one of the advantages would be that when you change in the oil, you don't have to jack it up. You just can go underneath. There is lots of clearance for easy and quick oil change. But it's not always the case. On some vehicles, drain plug location in very tricky place, and not much fun to change the oil. So let me show you example on this particular model. As you can see, the drain plug is located on the side of the engine, and as soon as I remove that drain plug, the flow of oil going to be splashing so much, so far away from the engine, that is going to splash the wheel and some of the components, and it's also going to splash on all of the bushings. And you know, this is not a good idea to have a hot oil or even cold oil to lubricate all of those components that you don't need. So you will have to do lots of cleaning after each oil change. Well, let me remove that drain plug and show you what I mean exactly. Okay, well, I'm going to remove my drain plug really quick, and you will see how messy is this job on this particular vehicle. As you can see, it's splashing so much, even though that I put the cardboard and even on the camera a little bit. Now look at this, guys. No matter how good I'm protecting my floor, and I cannot protect any of the components from all of the oil splashes. So I decided, well, it must be some kind of solution for that. So I started to look online for the quick drain valves that I can attach the hose, and it would not be such a messy job anymore. So let's see. After doing my own research, I found company called Valvomax, made in US, and stahlbus, made in Germany. Both of them doing the same job, and they cost pretty much the same. I would say maybe $10 difference, because this one imported from Germany. But I decided, well, I like this one more, because it's a much bigger piece than this, and it's made in US. Why would I want to overpay $10? So let's see how this one looks like. Okay, so for the first time when I've seen Valvomax, I look at the quality, and it was just awesome. You can tell that it's not a Chinese equipment, you know, part, and people who's been doing this craftsmanship, they've been very dedicated, and they knew what they've been doing. I like it so much because of that this cap has a rubber strap, and this one looks bigger, so it's stronger than German ones. Plus, this piece that I would be connecting when I'm draining, it's big, it's comfortable to spin in my fingers, and it's really convenient. So I like this one better, actually, the way it's built. And later on I realized that this is not the best design, because it cannot fit both, I mean all of the vehicles on the market. So now let's see what Germans made. They have a pretty much same design, except it's much smaller, as you can see. Thread is the same. This is what I needed for this vehicle, which is a M14 by 1.5 pitch. But overall, where you're going to grab it with a wrench, This one is much smaller, so I thought, well, it might be a weak, you know, weak piece, not as strong as this US one. And then when I look at the other side coupling, I thought, well, no, I don't like this, because when I'm going to disconnect it, it's so small in my fingers comparably to this one, you know. This one easy to twist. Your fingers, my fingers would not slip. So I said, well, no, I'm not going to buy a German part, because this one much better design, more convenient than this. This one looks tiny, so I did not buy it on the beginning. Both of them comes with this piece of hose. German one comes with a really soft silicone, really nice one. I like it, and it is longer than American by like 4 inches, I would say. So this one is longer, the German ones, but this one is enough. You can always replace it with another one, it's no big deal. The biggest advantage that I've seen, that when my fingers are going to be greasy, this one will be easy to twist. And overall this piece looks stronger than German one. But then when I was looking closely on my vehicle, I realized that this American piece will not work, and let me show you why. So this American piece, if I insert it and try to tighten it, it's extremely close to the clearance of this crankcase. So if I wanted to retighten closely, the edge of this, like say nut, would be touching the crankcase. You see, because it's so bulky. So on this particular engine, I either would have to put double washers, 2 of those washers, to make it higher. Otherwise, as you can see, it's pretty tight space here. So I think that's why Germans, they designed that smaller piece, because they knew that that smaller piece will fit any vehicle. And here, what I'm trying to say, that this is a German part, and it fits exactly to that spot where it needs to sit, and there will be lots of room around that drain plug, let's say, to twist with a socket or a wrench, and it's sitting properly on that round spot. So that's why German part is a big winner in my case, on my particular vehicle. Okay, now let's see the actual dimensions of both adapters. This is a German adapter, and I would need 19mm socket or wrench to tighten in place. And let's see how big is this washer. Washer is only 18mm, so pretty compact. Both pieces are really compact. And let's see the American made adapter. This is 24mm, as you can see. 24mm wrench or socket to tighten this in that spot. And even washer is 22mm comparably to 18 on the German adapter. So definitely both of them doing exactly the same job, simplifying oil change, but both of them dramatically different in size, in shape, where it's going to sit. So in my application for my particular M112 engine, this is the best choice. As I said before, I'm not really big fan of such a small other piece. I rather see it as big like this, so it would be more comfortable, but it is what it is. Now, what I did not like is that both hoses would need to be removed in case you want to drain some of the fluid, some of the oil. For example, if you want to do engine flush, and this is a 500 milliliter bottle, so you have to drain 500 milliliters of oil from your engine. Otherwise, if you don't do it, you will overfill the oil level, and it might do some damages. So you want to drain this 500 milliliter of old oil in order to add oil, engine flush, right? But when you will be doing this, you will be removing this adapter pretty quick, and you don't know when it's going to be 500 or 600 or 400. I wish that they would install actual valve so you can just open and close, so you don't have to remove it every time to stop draining. It's just a little bit too much work, I think, in my opinion. So for this reason, I decided to go even further and do little improvements. I'm going to install my own valve that I bought it from Home Depot, made in Canada for 15 bucks. Looks like really good quality, and I'm just going to cut this hose right here and add directly this valve, so I can actually stop the oil drainage without twisting this piece every time. But I can just open, drain half a liter, and run my engine idle for 15 minutes or so, whatever instruction says, and then open again to drain it completely. This way I don't have to remove this every time. I hope it makes sense for you guys. Another thing that I like about made in Germany part, or drain valve, that it says how much torque to apply to tighten it. 18 foot-pounds. Pretty clear. And on American one, I looked everywhere, including on the back, and it didn't say anywhere how much torque to apply. Maybe if I would go on their website they would specify that, but here on the packaging I did not find it, unfortunately, unless I missed it, but I looked twice or maybe even 3 times. So for this I'm gonna use very little micro torque wrench, especially for such a delicate applications, and I'm going to tighten this drain plug right now. Okay, well, with my copper O-ring I'm going to install it and torque it to a specification to avoid damaging the crankcase or this piece. Okay. Okay, and next time when I'll be doing my oil change, I will just remove this protective cap. Protective cap doesn't have any strap. I wish that they had some strap like American made, but it's sitting pretty snug as far as I see, and there is an O-ring that is going to keep it in place. So next time when I'm going to do the oil change, I'm just going to insert this, close the valve obviously, and insert this, and other end I'm going to insert into a plastic container so it will not be splashing all over like before. Well, this is it. I hope that was informative for you guys, and Now you know which one to buy. Either German, that we can call universal because it's such a compact size, or made in US because it's maybe more comfortable in your fingers and you have enough room on your crankcase. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. I have many more interesting videos on my channel. Please click on the playlist button and choose which video you want to watch. I'll see you next time. God bless you.